Okay, well, if I avoid one birthday party, then the demons across the street are going to have another birthday party. I guess they see that as a ballroom. It's just like a really, it's like the roof of their house, but he's bringing up the big stereo speakers. They think it's like their bar and ballroom, about like a few times a month. Looks like they're getting ready for an all-nighter. 7:20 p.m. He's got that bartender posture. He must have been a bartender for like 30 years, and now he's a retired bartender, and he wants to keep up his tradition or something. That's why I need to start getting ready to move out of here. This place is unacceptable. I tried to tell that other guy, but he's like, "Oh, you're just being too negative. I'm not feeling motivated by your complaining." I'm like, "I'm not complaining. I'm like trying to tell you I need to get out of here, and I'll find someone else to help me do that then. If you already helps me with other things, I'll find another helper for relocating. It might not even be in this city. I might have to get out of this whole city. Get out of this whole continent, for that matter. I don't necessarily need to keep the same TikTok. As long as where I'm going, I can get another phone line, and it doesn't have to be the same TikTok account. I can always start a new one. I tell people what the old one was, but I don't necessarily need to keep the same TikTok account when I go install it when I go to a new place because it hits right. These people getting rid of like their big speakers in their alcohol lineup of alcoholic beverages. They're gonna get really belligerent, I think. And Allah grant me the sabr, the patience to put up with this. I'll need get ready to move forward. This place is like a noise hole. But at the same time, I don't want to go outside. I might catch leprosy and robot disease or whatever. That guy was like half robot alien. I don't want to get robot alien psychosis either.